Hi, AT from CNC Home. My daughter came home from shopping the other day and she had purchased a few little goodies for herself. And one of the things she got, she was passing out to everybody else in the family. And that made me think, will it burn? Here's a test at 50% power and 1,000 millimeters per minute. Okay, let's try that again. We'll go 500 and 100% power. It's just not burning very consistently. Alright, that's at least doing something. Now let's just move up a little bit.
I'm unsure if it's the white color of the marshmallow or the inconsistency in the density of the marshmallow, but the laser didn't want to burn right away. Once it got through and actually started burning, then it seemed to burn okay.
This is at 1,000 millimeters per minute, 100%, and twice over the area.
Again, here at the beginning of the burn, the laser isn't really appearing to do anything. Once it keeps going, it catches a little defect in the marshmallow surface or something, it actually burned it, and then it's able to continue burning. The second time over, this didn't seem to do much for the burn. Where it had actually burned stayed the same. It was able to fill in a little bit at the beginning. Same issue again. I'm unsure if it's the focusing potentially. I did refocus a few times during this project and that didn't seem to help. We'll give it a try here and see if the focusing does us any good. At the beginning of the burn, still nothing. A little bit into the burn, something catches and it actually starts burning the marshmallow.
Still, I don't know. A lot of experiment going on here, and it's just inconsistent with how it's burning. It didn't want to burn down here, but it burned here just fine. Same with this. What to do next?
What to do next? How about we just take that laser, keep it still, and just blast the marshmallow at 100% and just keep drilling through this thing and see what happens. Unfortunately, the white reflective surface of the marshmallow really made the video not come out too well here. All we see is a big blue dot, essentially. In the real life burn, when I was watching this, you could see kind of a glow within the marshmallow, which was kind of cool. And it burned through the surface, it kept burning deeper and deeper, and it left kind of a black crusty bump on top here. But it did keep burning for a while. I tried blowing on it now and then to see if that would help the burning process. I also turned the lights off, that's coming up here in just a second, to hopefully capture some of that internal glow that the marshmallow was doing. Unfortunately, with the bright blue laser, that's all we end up seeing is the bright blue laser. And we don't see that internal kind of orangish glow that was coming through the marshmallow. Looked kind of cool in person. As you can see, there's that charred chunk right in the middle, but around it is kind of gooey. So it did melt the marshmallow. It got hot in there at least.
Well, with all the experimenting, I think the best thing to do with this marshmallow is eat it. It did burn. It did. Well, it's still warm here.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.